Okay, let me just show you this quick live trade that I'm doing here. Managed to click the record button. Never easy to trade live and click the record button at the same time, and it's all about timing. But I'm just going to show you. So we're up about £1,158.40. And when I say about, I've still got this oil trade. I sold half of the oil trade up here, £88.60 profit. I'm going to show you it here, okay, in this live trade. So I managed to turn this on for you, making sure that you can see what I'm doing here with this position. Don't worry about the position size. It was £5 short, and we've sold £2 to bank, £88.60. Now what we've done, guys, look, so let's just delete this. Now I had a sell signal on the ProTrade system which was here. The stop is here. You can see on this line there is no stop. So I need to make sure I put a stop in. Alright, so the stop, because it was a short trade, needs to go below the price of where I've entered, right here. Now you can see that I've got what we call a trailing stop feature. Now I've got a profit target here. We've hit this next profit target of 80.65. Now this is the skill of really getting good at trading, is managing the profitable trade. We all can get stopped out trades quite easily, and we can all get a move on with stopped out trades. Not as easy for some people, but it's managing the 2 to 3 to 1 risk reward, because you can see here, there's my entry, there's my stop just there, and this, I sold some down in this area here. You can see, look at the risk reward on this trade. So far it's really good. We're right at the ProTrade system target. Now what am I going to do here? Well, I can wait for it to turn green to get out of the trade, and that's what I'm probably going to do here. Wait for it to turn green, and then I'll exit the trade. Now why did I get short on this 5-minute time frame? Well, we trade with 2 time frames here at Trading College, minimum. So a 5-minute chart, if I was just using the ProTrade system for green for longs, red for shorts, green for longs, red for shorts, that would be fine. I'm sure it would make money just doing color changes all the time. But it's far better if you use a bigger time frame, which we call the anchor chart or the bias time frame, to give you that signal, and then come down to the smaller time frame for what we call the trigger, the PTS color change. So if I go now to the 4-hour time frame, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So prior to this white candlestick, we had a green candlestick and a trend predictor. That red arrow there is telling me this next candlestick is likely to go down. Really simple, like this one did here, this one did here, 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 okay, all shorts, and oh, there's a long one here, so that was a beautiful long buy. So the trend predictor's giving you the heads up that the next candlestick and the next candlestick could possibly be the nice big move to the downside. So what we do then is go down to the trigger time frame, wait for the color change, and then enter the trade. All right, and that's what I do a lot of the time. And so that's what I do when I've traded today. All I was doing today was using a higher time frame to trade with, and then a smaller time frame to get into the trade. And once you've done that a few times, and once you've done that for a week, 2 weeks, I would say 3 weeks. Once you've done it for 3 weeks, you're really good at it. And then once you've done it for 3 months, you're really good at it. And then you just keep doing the same thing. So the bigger time frame gives you the strategy signal, and the smaller time frame gives you the entry. Okay? And you could do the same thing if you are a swing trader. Swing trader is somebody that works probably during the day, wants to look at the charts in the evening time. There's a trend predictor right there on the Aussie New Zealand. We've been watching this for a few days. We had a trend predictor, we had a green PTS on the way up, we had a green trend predictor telling us the next day, and possibly the next, and the next could be up. What did it do? It shot all the way from 108.57 all the way up to 109. Our target is 109.48 on this trade. So that's how you can play these trades, and that's how you can use the time frames, the bias time frames, to to trade from, and then use your signal timeframes on the PTS as the trigger to get in. So you're always looking for the signal, and then you're always looking then for the trigger. So our screeners find the signals all the time. We use our screeners. We don't manually look for it. It's all automated. And then we then enter trades in here. Okay. So another nice day, up in the region of £1,150.40, and some decent trades. Another one was the FTSE today. That was nearly 400 quid up as well. It was a nice trade to the short side as well, guys. All right. So decent day. I hope it helps. And if you want to come and trade with us and get these sort of alerts and signals and learn how to do it properly, and making it become a profitable trader by using what we're doing. Very simple stuff, but very powerful. Then make sure you book a call back, guys. Speak to you soon.